everyone, welcome to another piano tutorial, and in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to play the Avengers theme. It goes like this. The song is mostly just made up of that, so I just thought I'd teach you that bit. So, for the right hand, for the first part, there are three parts of the song. So it'll be G, D, C, B flat, C, D, G, D, C, like that. Like that. And then for the left hand, we've got G, B flat, D, E flat, G, B flat, E, G, B flat, F, A, C, E, G, B flat, E flat, G, B flat. Of course, you can always just turn it into octaves or notes by itself. If you want to make it slightly easier, just use the lowest notes, okay? So anyway, it sounds like this. So G and G, B flat, D, D and E flat, G, B flat, and second B flat, E, G, B flat, D and F, A, C, E, G, B flat by itself, D and E flat, G, B flat, like that, okay? For the second part, we've got B flat, A, G, D, C, B flat, C, D. So like that. For the left hand, we've got B flat, D, F, C, G, G, B flat, D, E flat, G, B flat, E, G, B flat, F, A, C. So it'll be B, and then second B flat and B flat, D, F, A and C, G, and G and G flat, D, D and E flat, G, B flat, second B flat and E, G, B flat, D and F, A, C. So back to back, four parts. I mean, there's two parts. It should sound like this. Third and last part, we've got G, D, C, B flat, A, G. And then we've got E, G, B flat, E flat, G, B flat, B flat, D, F, G, B flat, D. And then to G, and then E, G, B flat by itself. And then D and E flat, G, B flat. B flat and B flat, D, F, J and G, B flat, D. Just like that. So all together it sounds like this. However you want, but I think it sounds like this best. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please give a like if you enjoyed and subscribe for more.